Rinpoche can use it for their benefit and to transform their mind and their environment and all other sentient beings around them.
là so dene nukchok la yong ne kongrang thola dene nanggi semla digi jungthap dang chi li la cheton yongthap ngarang lamten jigi yore la dene ko di yakpo jungthap la dene ngarang molam jabgi.
Lama Seoi Rinpoche is a highly respected Bhutanese meditation teacher and a yogi who has spent over 20 years in a retreat. Today, he is teaching Buddhism and the Tibetan Healing Chul in Europe, America, Asia, and Canada, and thousands of students following him.
Yeah, dene nga danda America, dene German, Australia, Canada, den nangzingi gyaga mangbo sigla drogi. Yeah, ini nukchok lang ngi loma da mangbo yore, ina yang di dangka tinggal siami, danda nga Canada la yongya di ngarangi loma roba di orangi di ketang ni tenga yongde.
I met Rinpoche in 2011 in June when he visited Calgary, and my intention was to find a teacher or someone who can reflect for me the essence and the quality of these teachings. So I feel very fortunate that I met Rinpoche and that I discovered these very special qualities within him, and also through his guidance also I was able to connect with the same qualities within myself. So I believe these are the most important aspects of the transformation, what comes about from practicing Vajrayana Buddhism. Rinpoche, through the practice of Vajrayana and the way this method is applied, is able to transform. He was able to transform the qualities of his mind, and also through his presence, through his realization, he's able to guide others and also help others to transform negative aspects of their mind. I believe these are the most important things in on a spiritual path or in someone's life, to be able to transform the ordinary states of mind or the everyday mental and emotional predispositions to a higher consciousness or to higher awareness. And so Rinpoche is a very special teacher who can reflect these qualities, who can show the way to other people and to students of his of how to work with these very subtle, very profound aspects of our existence.
I just met him actually for the first time today, but I've known of him for a while now. Robert, my friend, has spoken of him and is one of his students. I studied Buddhism for a very long time, was planning to become a lay teacher, but I wandered away from the path. I have always been interested in Tibetan culture. I was very interested in Tibetan Buddhism. Have studied Bonpo as well, and have been teaching meditation since about 1986. I teach from many different lineages and many different styles. I teach a guided meditation, but even when we teach, we're still students. We still need to receive practice. And Robert was reminding me, not very gently, that I should come back and do more serious practice.
It was an honor, really. I just felt it was such a wonderful opportunity, a rare opportunity to have such a great teacher. I'm humbled that he'd come to my space and just to provide a venue where people could come and meditate. Just really being in the presence of someone who has so much love and kindness, being amongst practitioners where we could really have a place to learn and to receive his teachings together was just a beautiful experience for me. Absolutely. I would love to definitely provide my venue if it was available, but I think if the more people that could come and experience his teachings, he could help and touch a lot of people, and that would be my wish.
Feeling that energy in our space and knowing that we can have that within ourselves. So it inspires us when we don't want to practice anymore, when things are tough, and we really need to sit. We can visualize Rinpoche and feel that energy to help motivate us.
I believe he's an enlightened soul. I can see my light in his presence, and it moves me beyond myself.
I love his sense of humor and energy. I love the calmness that he brings to the world.